Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the CAS update today. So CAS has been going down in the past few days, and we closed our position some few days ago as well. And right now, the only answer that I have, or the only vision that I have, is that CAS has to come down and retest this line. Now, for God's sake, do retest the line, but I do know the nature of this coin. It may not even do that as well, and that is something expected. But at least for now, the way you have moved up like this, it does show that you can come down, and it's just how the coin is. When you move up, you come down. When you move up again, you come down again, right? You move up, you come down. You move up, you might actually come down here again. So there are the waveforms are always healthy, and if you need a healthy market, you need a move up, a move down, move up, and a move down. So right now, to me personally, this was your whole pattern, got destroyed, got the break, and you're looking for the move down. I just want to look at the weekly and how the weekly looks like as well. So if you look at the weekly, that also shows that yes, this was your break, this was the move up. And by the way, on the weekly time frame, if you do end up coming down to 0.031584, that's going to be the ultimate end for CAS to actually move up. So you don't want to see CAS ever coming down and take 0.031. If it does that, then you are looking for a move down, and probably this is your next liquidity grabbing level, which is going to be 19,000 actually. So yeah, that's something you have to keep in mind. Now let's go back into the 4-hour time frame, and then let me show you what the 4-hour time frame looks like. Now there was a trend line previously. This was your trend line here, and you broke the trend line, and ever since you've been down right there, and you can see you went down like this, and you're making a flag right now. So this flag, talking about the flag, it's going to be from there to there, and we are looking for a continuation move down, and you can see it actually does take you down there. So this is your technical target. We are looking for CAS to come to 0.039749. Again, this doesn't really mean that it's bad. That is obvious. This move down is a retest. Okay, and retest means that yes, resistance was broken. We're testing that resistance into support now. The question is, if this actually holds as support, then I think this is going to offer an amazing buy here, and you might hold this, move sideways, take some few stop losses here and there, and then try to pump all the way to that technical target, and that's going to be a move up of nearly 50%. So it's a good thing. Okay, I do like discounts, and I do like discounts that are at support as well. So two things combined with one another makes it a very strong statement. But if we do hold support, as I told you, come down to 31,000, you're looking for a very big drop to the downside in the future. So let's hope we do hold the 39 and 38, maybe even 37 is still okay. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.